Hello mga kakbay, welcome back to the other episode of Alfred and Ara Vlogs. My name is Alfred and welcome to our YouTube channel. And here we are back. So for today's episode guys, is very different. We are not talking about action camera. We are not talking about GoPro or Insta360 or stuff, something like that. But today's episode is very different because I will show you the facial gun 6-level variable frequency vibration muscle massage after exercise. So I buy this one because I need it the most after exercise, like the other day after cycling, after a very long ride of after how many kilometer, my thighs becomes numb, so that's why I needed to neutralize it with this machine. So they call it facial gun. I don't know how they call it facial gun. So also on this side, facial gun, and it says here alleviate muscle stiffness and soreness, enhance blood circulation, improve health of soft tissue, increase exercise range. So I tried this one guys. As I told you the other day, I was doing my biking. So when I reach home and do my stretching, my thigh on the side become very numb. So this is the one who helped me. It's supposed to be very painful on the other day, but fortunately it doesn't happen because of this machine. So what I'm going to show now is the machine itself. So this is the item we're supposed to unbox next to Insta360 from the other episode, but yesterday I didn't had a chance to wait because I really need it for me, since we are doing a lot of sports like running, and now I add biking into it, so I really need this one. So let's go check it out. So come on guys, let's go and let's check it. Let's check it out what is inside of this box. So let's open this one. There's the manual. It says here the charging and storage. So these are the manual. We keep it because we need it later. So first is the facial gun itself, this one, and next is the charger. Let's put it back. So we have the facial gun. I choose that there is some certain colors like blue and gray and white, silver, but I choose black because it seems really nice to me. And then they have 4 types of massage knob. So they have 4 types of massage knob. So let's check it one by one. So as per the manual, this small one here is for small flat head and for all parts of the body. So this one like on your feet, on your joints. This one because this can penetrate like joints and some part of the body. So this one, the other one is this one, the U type. It's for U head for vertebrates. So vertebrates is I'm not really sure what this one, vertebrates. We have to study more on this one. So that is for the U type. And then the third one is the ball head. Ball head is for large muscle groups. So basically thighs, on your when your shoulder is sore, when you have frozen shoulder, so you can use the bull head on that one. I'll show you later how does it works. And then the last one is the small round head for joints. So this one for joints. So this is the one, guys. So that is the one. There are some instruction which is written here. I have to read it more because it says, I'm not really sure if this is called fascial or facial, because I think facial has a different meaning in, I don't know, in exercise world or massage world or medical world. I'm not really expert on that one. And so that is inside the box. Now I will show you how this machine works. So let's open it again. So I charged it the other night. So let's try this one, the bull head. So you have to switch this one off here. This is the charging port, and then this is the power button. So there is this is the lowest one, and then you can make it more, the high frequency. Just press it, the power button. If you want, yeah, this one, I think this is the maximum. So it can massage. For example, you have a sore or frozen shoulder. Yeah, you can use this one. Which is, on my own experience, it's really helpful, guys, because when you are alone and then no one can do massage to you, and so I think this one could cover the work. Yeah, because you need to neutralize muscles after exercise, and then if you don't have somebody to do it for you, then this machine will cover the job. So that is the purpose why I bought this one. And for additional information on how this machine works, I download some videos from the media, so that it can guide us more on how this machine works. So let's check the video out. I hope you like the video, guys, and that is for our today's episode. And then guys, if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe, and if you like the video, please hit thumbs up and comment in the comment section below for any suggestions, or you guys are expert regarding this machine. I need some more opinion and advice on how this one works. And if you think that this video is really important or helpful to share, then please share the video as well. And then yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.